Hello everybody, my name is Mike, also known as the Backroad Adventurer. I'm coming to you today with a quick little video just to clear up some confusion that I've been seeing. It's a very common question on social media and these various groups, also in the YouTube comments on my videos and other videos I've been noticing as well. That question that I see come up quite a bit is, I found some crown land, I'm unsure if I can camp here because in the policy report I'm seeing two different areas that relate to camping. I can totally understand where the confusion is coming from. When you bring up the policy report, the format is going to be the same no matter what kind of crown land you're looking at, whether it's general use or an enhanced management area or whatever. You're going to see a couple different things. You're going to see land and resource management activities as well as recreational activities. When you're looking at land and resource management and you see private recreational camps, a lot of people think that that relates to camping. It does and it doesn't. A lot of people are going to automatically assume, because that's the first thing you see related to camping on the policy report, that that is the end-all be-all for camping. It's not. What that refers to is private camps on leased land. The leased land can either be for hunting, so you have hunt camps. It can also relate to a timber camp or a mining camp. These all take place on leased land. Approval for leased land is very hard to get from the government these days. It's only handed out if you have a total resource management plan, but I don't know a whole lot about that, so I'm not going to get into it. For recreational camping, which is what the majority of us are looking to do, you need to go down to the next section, entitled Recreational Activities and Facilities. Under that heading, you'll find stuff like hunting, fishing, road use, and general recreation. Now, general recreation involves a lot of things. It could be hiking, it could be bird watching, but what we are looking for is camping, and camping falls under general recreation. So when you see general recreation and that it's allowed, you're allowed to camp there. Now, is the crown land you're looking at going to be suitable for the type of camping that you want to do? Maybe, maybe not. We all do a lot of different kinds of camping, whether it's backpacking, canoeing, hauling our gear in with a car or a 4x4 vehicle, side-by-side, ATV, horseback, airplanes, the list goes on. There's a million different ways people camp these days. That's where e-scouting comes in. I have a great video that goes over, once you found crown land, how to look at the satellite images, find roads to travel on, find trails, find boat launches, and find suitable places for camping. We are 100% dependent on the land itself. The land dictates what's going to be accessible to us and our means of travel. Unless you know what you're looking for, the policy report, it can be a bit confusing. But I hope this video has cleared up a little bit of that confusion. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Always leave your questions in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. I'm going to have a couple more crown land videos coming up here shortly that I'm working on. And there'll be another Q&A video popping up shortly. Until then, get out on an adventure and I'll see you in the next video.